Okay, home problem 10 has a pretty tricky LCD and denominator. So on this one, since there are variables in our denominators, we got to check where each one is equal to 0. Okay, so we may have a possibility of 3 numbers that do not, that x cannot, or t cannot equal. All right, so we need to find out what that is. So first thing we need to do is factor, and we can factor a t out of this bottom one. So here's a GCF, and we get t times t minus 4. All right, domain restriction. Set of t such that t cannot equal something. So to make these denominators work, t minus 4, what would t have to be to make this whole denominator here a 0? And that would be a positive 4. So t cannot be a positive 4. Okay, that's also true for the first denominator. Now this middle one here, since it's by itself, it would have to be 0. Okay, so 4 and 0 are solutions t cannot equal. Okay, so now we got that in the way, let's find our LCD. All right, let's use our big denominator, t times t minus 4. And that satisfies all the denominators. So all of them have a single t and t minus 4, so we're good here. Okay, so now we got to multiply each numerator by t times t minus 4. So remember this binomial is together. All right, then we want to simplify. So all of this is going to cancel that out. T here is canceled there. T minus 4 is canceled there. All right, so let's go in here and write our leftover. So what we're going to have is t plus 9 minus 3 times t minus 4. Okay, so remember this negative again, got to get distributed. Okay, and then this equal 1 times t is just t. All right, so let's go ahead and distribute this negative 3 to there. So we're going to get t plus 9 minus 3t plus 12 equals t. Then let's combine like terms. So t and negative 3t is negative 2t. All right, and 9 and 12, that makes 21. Okay. Next, I'm going to add 2t because I want to keep my variables positive. So those cancel. We got 21 on the left, and then on the right we have 3t. Okay, then we'll divide out a 3. We'll get t is equal to 7. I wrote a 4 for some reason. There we go. All right, and 7 is valid because it's not one of our restricted numbers.